try again. As you guys seen in the beginning half of the video, I bid it on a car on approval, won it for like 4 grand. They counter bidded me at 81 and I wasn't about to pay that. So I counter bid back at 4 grand and then they finally declined it. So now I'm able to bid on some more cars. Today we're actually going to be bidding in Colorado Springs. They have a bunch of hail damaged cars. So hopefully we can pick up something pretty decent, clean title. That would just need a little bit of body work. We got about 4 minutes to start, so let's try to get a buy-in. We have about 37 cars. I pretty much got on watch mode out of 4 auctions. They're all in the same auction, different lanes, so we'll see what we can do. First one we're looking at is a Hummer. Not gonna get it, but I'm curious to see what it goes for. Cause I would get it, but the mileage is kind of high compared to what everything else I'm interested in buying. New bidder. And then we have a BMW next up there. Oh look. Let's see how much this BMW goes for in the Hummer. 31 for the Hummer, 675 for that. Let's see. Oh man. This is a hot lot. 3,300 for the Hummer, 950 for the Beamer. Dang, 3,400 for the Hummer. Uh-oh, never mind. Oh, I didn't catch how much it sold for, but we'll see how much the Beamer sells for. That's an easy 5 grand right there. I don't know why I don't bid on it. Easy money. So this is one we're bidding on. Bid on this. Let's see if we win. We'll just wait. Please, I'm bidding. This is a hot lot. We're just gonna run him up at this point. Let's let him think he won it. $4 grand, dude. Come on. Bonus time. Am I gonna win it? $4 grand. I won it. We won the 2009 Infiniti FX 35, but I'm still interested on this G35 here. I want to see what it sells for. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go under 3 grand, which would probably be a better deal than what I got. But I mean, At this point, I'm not tripping. It's a clean title. Let's see what it sells for. My guess is under 3 grand. Come on. Go up, 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 up. We want it to be closer to 4 grand so I don't feel like I lost. New bidder. That's what I'm talking about. We'll see. $38, come on, we need 4 grand. One more. Bonus time. Come on, one more. Sold. Cool. So we would have basically saved 50 bucks, which is not bad at all. So I'm cool with that. Okay, so after you win it, you'll get an email saying that, and then your stuff, of course. And let's check out what I won. It's a 09 FX Infiniti FX35, 133,000 miles, clean title. Hail damage, not bad at all. Literally just need some windows, paint job. It's not bad at all. So now our next plan is to pay for it. In total, I believe it's 47, and then figure out how we're gonna, either we're gonna get to Colorado or have it shipped to us. We'll figure that out in the next couple hours. Okay, this is the one also that we wanted to grab. It's a 2012 G37, 3,900. Well, we won. $4,100, dude. Wow. What's up, guys? So, as you seen earlier, we won the Infiniti 2009 FX35 truck with 133 miles. We won it for $4,000. Out the door, it's $47,24. So we're gonna go pay that. It's in Colorado. However, I'm in Las Vegas. So I don't really feel like driving or flying way out there. So I'm actually just gonna get it shipped, which is like another like 600 bucks. So yeah, I mean, it's what you gotta do when you find a deal. So I mean, you can't really get too upset with it because you still got the car. It's a clean title. All you need is like body work, so that shouldn't be bad at all.